Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mimi Melly, the creator of Create Kingdom Plans. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at a very cute handheld label maker. Label makers are essential for the home office, businesses, and just for organization in general, so let's get into it. Don't you just love it when you have such a small package and a huge box? Anyway, let's get into this package. So this is a portable label maker / label printer. In the package, you get, of course, your printer, which is pre-filled with tape already. And you also get a charger, which is just, a regular USB charger. You do have to connect it to an adapter if you have one, or you can just connect it to your computer or laptop to charge. I really like it that it is portable and easy to carry anywhere that you need, labels to be made, whether it's at your office, at home, or if you want to put it in the kitchen. And what I really liked about this one is that it has a cutter already built in, as you can see, and you can even connect it to an app which allows you to change different fonts, stickers, and all that. So I'm going to show you that as well. So if you know, I don't like to read instructions, but for this I had to see how to install the tape, and also to know what app to install to get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my iPad and see exactly what we need to do. So in the instruction booklet, there is a little QR code which I'm going to scan. And once you scan it, you can tap on the link and it will send you to this website where you go ahead and click on App Store and download Sorticker and click on Get and install this app. This is where you'll be able to connect with your little PRT QUITE label maker and get started on making labels right away. Once the app is done downloading, click Open and go ahead and open your app. So mine is on the iPad, so I had to enlarge it. But of course, you would install this on your iPhone or your Android phone in order to access it quickly. So go ahead and select the QT printer or the QT label maker as your model, and you're just going to click on continuous paper, which is the paper that is already pre-filled into your label maker, and go ahead and start playing around with the options below. So you can use text, you can add images. They also have stickers available, bubbles, and all sorts of things. So it tells you what to do right in the app. You just double click to change your font, change your text and your style, whatever it is that you're doing. And just for this video, we're just going to put Mimi Melly to test it out, and we're going to see how it prints. What I really love about this app is that there are options for you to change the font and make it more fun for your labels. You can add stickers and all sorts of things that are already included with this app. So once you are done with your design and you like it, go to the bottom and click on Print. When you do that, it's going to ask you, would you like to connect? If this is a Bluetooth printer, so it should easily connect. Now, I wouldn't be me if I didn't make a mistake the first time I printed. So for this printer, there's going to be an amount of tape that you're supposed to pull out and cut off first. I didn't do that. So now I'm going to try again. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to show you guys how to install the tape correctly so that this doesn't happen to you. So go ahead and slide up that cap part and pull out the tape completely. So there's an arrow here. You're going to continue to pull up until it comes off. and it will reveal the tape that you're supposed to place into that little slot. So I'm going to show you. So you're going to pull, pull, pull. You can take off that little tape, and you're going to place it back with the sticker side up. As you can see, the little sticker with the QR code is on top. Place it into the slot and pull it outwards so that it comes out completely. So there should be a little tab of sticker out a little bit, and make sure it's placed in just like you see mine is, and that is the correct way to put it in. So put on your cover, slide it back down, and you should see that the light turns green. That means it's ready to go. If it's red, that means that maybe something is stuck. So you just have to open it up and make sure that you installed the sticker paper correctly. All right, so it finally worked. I was able to print Mimi Melly with a little headphone sticker at the end. I'm gonna continue to make more stickers to show you guys just how versatile this is and how you can use it in your everyday life. Like this cute little chat bubble that says hello. You can of course put the dates for any of your dry products that you're putting in your cupboard to make sure you know if they're not expired or not. It's good and easy to do right away. From design to printing, it takes seconds and you're ready to go right away. There's no time wasted. And look how easy it is, guys, just to print out a date. The date is already there. All you have to do is just click on print. Come on, guys, this is awesome. The other thing that's really great about this sticker paper is that when you turn it around, all you have to do is sort of bend it in half a little bit, and it's easy to just peel away the sticker and easy to use. Like, you don't have to try to get to the corners or anything. It's so easy to get your sticker and stick it onto your container, and removing it is no problem either. It leaves no residue, nothing at all. Look how clean that is. This is such a great product. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around and letting me show you this PTR handheld label maker. I hope that you purchase this product and it really helps you in your everyday life. Thank you so much for watching. As always, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!